Hello everyone, we are back with another episode of PT 2 Minutes. Today we will be discussing a question on axolotl. I'll give you some time, try to mark the correct answer. So now let's discuss each statement one by one. First statement says, axolotl undergoes metamorphosis transitioning into terrestrial adult stage during their life cycle. So before this, we should be knowing who actually axolotl are. So they are basically a amphibians. Okay. So axolotl are amphibians. So obviously amphibian means they can live both in land and water. But characteristic with this species is that they do not go any kind of metamorphosis and they are completely aquatic animal. Okay. So this statement becomes incorrect. Moving on to our next statement. Second says axolotl are native to South America. Okay, so this statement is actually false. So where they are found? They are found in and around Mexico. Basically the Mexico City and the lakes around the city. So they are native to not South America but city of Mexico. Third statement says one of the remarkable feature of axolotl is extraordinary regenerative ability. So this statement is actually correct. This is the main feature of this species, that they can regenerate their own part like limbs, even heart. So this is the very crucial feature about this species which make them unique. So UPSC is constantly asking some unique feature with respect to many species. This is also one of the unique species having a regenerative ability and which do not undergo any metamorphosis even belonging to amphibian kingdoms. So your answer become only one. So those of you who have marked this statement, very congratulations. For many more video, follow PT 2 Minutes. Thank you.